Alright, welcome back to the Palm Beach Traders channel. I hope you guys are doing well. We're just gonna quickly get into this little trade breakdown over here. I want to show you guys what I was seeing on the charts, break down the strategy that I use on a day-to-day basis to be a consistent, profitable trader in the market. I trade the same strategy over and over again, and I promise to you guys the same thing. There is nothing different here. It's very simple, nothing complicated. So let's break it down. Let me just delete all this analysis so that I can show you guys how I took this trade, what I was seeing, and how you guys can also learn and perfect the strategy as you watch. So we're gonna start over here. We can see that we're in a downtrend right here, right? Go on to your higher time frames. You will notice we're actually bearish over here, right? We're actually coming off of a setup that was up here, so we're still bearish, right? As you can see. So in that bearish trend, there was this consolidation that was happening over here, right? And in this consolidation, we were actually going to find continuations on the lower time frame. So when I was down here on the lower time frame and I found the setup, I already partially knew I was going to make money, right? I pretty much already knew I was in to make some money. So this happened somewhere around yesterday. Yeah, somewhere around yesterday. So what was the first thing that I saw? First thing that I saw was this right here, this sweep of liquidity. That's the first thing, bam. If you've been watching my videos, you will notice that it's the same thing over and over again. When we had our sweep of liquidity, what did we end up getting? Boom, a break of structure. That's what we're looking for, right? That's that stuff right there. That's what we're looking for. And then after that break of structure, what did we end up getting? We ended up getting price buying into our 50% or more zone. You pull out your Fibonacci tool, right? For your Fibs, I have some people who are asking me how to use the Fibonacci tool. You're just going here, you go to your tools right there, right? And then you look for an item that looks like this, right? The one with the F over there, that stands for the Fibonacci. You pull it from the top of the liquidity sweep to the bottom of your break of structure, and you wait for it to enter your 50% or more zone and start selling from there. For this instance, right? What do we call this move over here? This downtrending move right here that looks like it's selling. We call that inducement liquidity. Price is inducing traders to take a trade. What is inducement? You're being tricked. You're being convinced to take a trade, right? So when that happens, what does it create? It creates what we call structural liquidity. Now, again, we are 80% the way to looking for our money. Once you have that, oh wow, oh my gosh, you're about to make yourself some money. What do you wait for at this point? What you're waiting for at this point, you're waiting for price to get into what we call our point of interest. Very important area. Very, very important area. Why is it important? Because that's where we are going to be looking for our entries. In this zone right over here. That area right there. The order block that failed. Right? Where our sweep of liquidity is. The order block that failed. That's our point of interest. Right? That becomes our point of interest. So let's just break it down before we continue. Our sweep of liquidity, right? Price was downtrending. Instead of making another, we expect a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But over here made a lower high. Instead of making a new lower low, what did it do? It broke this, right? It swept liquidity. Made a higher lower high, right? That's disrespecting market structure. So this area right here becomes the order block that failed, right? That's the order block that failed. So we are just expecting price. This is our inducement, right? This is our structural liquidity. Got into our 50% or more zone after breaking structure. Then what are we looking for again? Another break of structure. Right here we got it, right? Break of structure, right? Now what are we looking for? After price does this, we are waiting for price to get into our point of interest and sell off from there. And what does price do? It gets in there, boom. How beautiful is that? Just a straight waterfall into profit, right? That's it. That's the whole strategy in a nutshell. Gets in there, we're either targeting this would be take profit 1. This is your very safe TP. Take profit 2 is down here. That's take profit 2, right? That's your initial take profit. Your textbook take profit, right? Price gets into this area. Most people would have taken their entry on this candle over here, right? So would I. But price would do something like this. That's very natural, right? But you see what happened when price got in here? It gave us clear confirmations. That's a clear confirmation right there. For all my aggressive traders, you would be in right over here, stacking positions, right? For my conservative traders who are waiting for some more confirmation, your entries over here. And you have your stop loss right above here. Normally how I trade, once I get this first candle over here, this first candlestick over here, I'm already in with my stop loss above my protected high, right? That's over here. We don't expect price to get into this area over here, right? You give it a little bit of breathing room, because there are instances where price will do something like this. It will get in here, it will break that, but then it will close back inside. Very, it's not a rare occasion. It actually happens quite often. It's very natural. But what we actually would want it to do something a little bit more textbook, like this, get into our point of interest and give us that. That's more beautiful, right? That's it. That's the whole strategy in a nutshell. If you're enjoying this video, please sub to the channel if you're new, right? Like the video. It really helps my videos get pushed out by YouTube to find more beginner traders who want to learn a strategy, right? If you guys want to know more, just comment down below. I read all the comments, right? If you're enjoying the video, if you hate me, you hate the videos and you hate the way that I speak, say it in the comments. Just say it, right? If you're loving and enjoying the videos, say it in the comments. It's free. It's actually free to comment. It's free to like. It's free to subscribe. I don't get paid when you like the video, by the way, if you think that's something. But why wouldn't you want your mentor to get paid? I'm giving you guys this information for free anyway. But regardless of that, I hope you guys are understanding, right? Right now it looks very scribbly, but when we take off all of this analysis and we just leave what's supposed to be there, what do we have? We have something that's so simple. We have something that's so simple. That's just how beautiful this strategy is. I love this strategy. Simple to learn, simple to understand, simple to execute. The only thing that you need to do is to just go back, test on the charts and practice. That's it. If you go back and practice and just back test on the charts, I'm telling you, whether you're trading indices, currencies, metals, I don't care what you're trading. Just go back. This is so simple. I swear to you. Just go back and back test. Right? You will find these setups almost every day. If you remain loyal to this strategy and you practice it every day, I'm telling you, 2025, you will be milking Deriv. You will be milking any market, whether you're trading currencies and you're doing prop firm challenges. You will be passing prop firm on prop firm, making payout on payout. I know you're tired of not being profitable. Go back and practice this, and I promise you, you will be a profitable trader. I promise you that. You will be quite profitable. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown. If you did, please like the video, subscribe. If you want to message me about mentorship and you want to learn this a little bit deeper and you want to increase the speed of which you learn this strategy, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description below. You can join my free Telegram group where I share these setups. I share all of my setups, whether they go well, whether they go bad. I share all of my setups, right? I give daily motivation. And I am going to be targeting to drop more and more videos come 2025. I hope and I pray for you guys to have a prosperous 2025. This is the end of 2024. Take this strategy seriously, and I promise you, you will see profit. Anyway, this is Palm Beach Traders signing out.